Don't chase me. You, the big guy, you who have all the power, and who know by betrayal, by all your gangs and the traitors, who sell us out to the enemy, whose mission is fulfilled by agents. Your money, your happiness, and the power want to be endless. You greedy guy, you selfish guy. Why do you follow me? Why do you surround me? Why do you follow me? Why do you follow my every step? Why do you control my every activity? I'm proudly confronting you. Not to be deprived my natural right. Your nightmare was nothing for us. We are out of there now. Our aim is towards freedom, because freedom never did harm anyone. Let us live with humanity, justice, and equality. Stop following me. Don't chase me. That is violating the law of nature. I call you a thief, including you gang of thieves. Forget dreaming that I would sing for you. No, never. Rather, I oppose you. As long as I have lungs to speak, you impose silence on me, but I'm still screaming and shouting. To be heard and to be remembered. After all, you deprived me of my natural rights. Your fantasy and thoughts makes you confused and perverted. You trust your weapons, you trust your muscles, but I will never die. You don't have the power to make me not believe in justice. I trust the power of people. Yes, the power of people. No one can stop them. They will send you to the hell. You big guy, you corrupt one, you gambling and bribing one. You can't scare me. You may try to destroy my life, but I never raise for you a knife. My bravery, brave is my pen, my weapons are ideas, my power is with my people. I preach love, I declare justice and freedom. I struggle for the better times. You wonder if I would be your messenger, but let me, I assure you that I never think of being disloyal to my people. You may undermine me more and more, but it is my pride to believe that the love will make it in. Though I have been deprived of my humanity, I'm not subhuman as you thought. Go ahead, and we will see what will be. I won't be under your knee. I love to live as a free man. If it is a crime and you chase me, because of that, you will be ridiculous. So stop following me. Do not be mad. You couldn't destroy my peace of mind. Yes, you made millions disappear. You pushed them to flee. You made many of them disabled. You killed thousands of innocents. However, I do not fear that you would kill me. Even if it is in your hand to do so, you couldn't kill my ideas. The seed already planted in my people, and for the sake of that, I won't surrender. My life is not more precious than those who you have taken. And I'm not more special than those of our heroes and heroines who have fallen. Now leave me alone. Stop following me. Don't chase me in your dream. Don't follow me like my own shadow. Thank you.